Hello Professor Owen and TA Kevin. I am Kent and in this video I will talk about Python. So let's get started. We start from what is Python? Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. It's used in many fields like web development, data science, machine learning, automation, game development, and more. Python is popular because of its readable syntax and huge library support. So, let's talk about the four collections in Python. There are four collections. The first one is list. List is ordered, changeable, allows duplicates. Lists use square brackets, as we can see here in the example. Fruits equal to round brackets, square brackets, quotation, apple, banana, cherry. Print fruit 0. The result will be apple because it starts from the index 0, here is 0, here is 1, and here's 2. So print fruit 0 will result apple. The second collection is tuple. Tuple is ordered, unchangeable, and allows duplicates. As we can see here, the example, coordinates equals to round brackets 10, 20. Print coordinates 1. Coordinates 1 is 20 because the index 0 and 1. As you can see, the result is 20. The difference between tuple and list is tuple cannot be changed. And tuple using the the round brackets, but list use the square brackets. The next one we have set. Set is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed, and no duplicates. As we can see here, the set use the curly brackets. For example, colors equals to curly brackets, quotation red, green, blue, red. There are two red in this code, but set cannot have a duplicate. So the result will be green, blue, and red. There is only one red. The last one, we have dictionary. Dictionary is ordered, changeable, and no duplicates. Same as set, dictionary use the curly bracket. For example here, student equals to curly bracket, quotation name is Kent, age is 18. If we type print student name, the result will be Kent. As you can see here, it's Kent. But if we change this to age, the result will be 18. Yeah, so next one, I want to talk about the loop. The first one, we have if-else. So in if-else loop, we can see here, if here is true, it will print this one. But if it's not true in here or false, it will print this line of code. As you can see here, score equals to 50. But 50 is not greater than 60. So it will pass this line of code. So it will continue to the else code. So it will print fail. But if the score is greater than 60, for example 75, it will print pass because the line stops in here. The next one we have for loop. For example here in for loop, fruits equals to square brackets apple, banana, cherry. For fruit, in fruits, print fruit. It will print all of the list in here. The last one we have while loop. In while loop, as long as the line in the while loop is true, it will keep continue until it falls. So let's see in the first one. The first one, count is 0, right? Yeah, it's 0. And then let's do this. While count is less than 3. 0 is less than 3. So we continue. Count equals to count plus 1. So 0 equals to 0 plus 1. So the result is count equals to 1. So now we have 1. Let's change this count to 1. So while 1 less than 3 still true, so we continue. Count equals to 1 plus 1. Count equals to 2. Now the count is 2. 2 is still less than 3. It's still true. And then we continue to this one. Count equals to 2 plus 1. It's 3. But 3 is false in here because 3 is not less than 3. So it ends at 2. So these are the loop for the Python. And this is all that I want to talk in this video. Thank you.